inside a dream and woke up in my reality. Pick an apple from the dragon tree and bite into its core while I'm riding on the back of a bumblebee. I walk on water, slide across the silky surface to a place where nothing's worthless. Surfing on a turtle while I cook steak on a furnace. My skin is turning purple and my blood is turning blue. This life was what I drew when I was a kid, back when I knew how to live the way we should, would or could, if only we were understood by all of you. Imagination of a land inside your mind that you could live in. Multi-dimensional wishing, hitting truth with sticks and stones. See, these words were never enough. Fall in love with clever and tough emotions, burning potions, trying to find the omen. Soaking blood in roses, split the ocean like your Moses till it's frozen. Now commotion's hopeless. Life is what you make it right, so now I'm gonna make it right. Take the night away, make my life one endless day, and pray the darkness is a metaphor for why I'm feeling pain again. I try to train myself to drain this negativity I created world inside my mind until they're literally alive, trying to find me. I fly above their world, spread my wings and drift emotional. These words are Trojan tools to leave the world I made imploding.